Welcome back, viewers. Let's put the focus on the big story. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will visit Jammu and Kashmir for the first time since the brutal Pahalgam terror attack, with a high-impact agenda that includes major infrastructure launches and developmental initiatives. The Prime Minister's visit prompted a multi-tier security setup to ensure his safety during the public rally in Katra. Heavy security arrangements have been put in place, including the Special Protection Group, the Army, Central Armed Police Forces and the Jammu and Kashmir Police have been deployed around the venue. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will inaugurate the Chenab Bridge, the world's highest railway arch bridge, and flag off the Vande Bharat trains between Katra and Srinagar in Jammu and Kashmir. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will also launch multiple developmental projects worth over 46,000 crore rupees in Katra, which is the home to Mata Vaishno Devi temple. The Chenab Bridge is praised as an architectural marvel, standing at 359 meters above the river. This 1,315-meter long steel arch bridge is designed to withstand the seismic activity and strong winds. Among the other projects to be launched is also the 272-kilometer Udhampur-Srinagar-Baramulla rail link project, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi will also lay the foundation stone of the Sri Mata Vaishno Devi Institute of Medical Excellence in Katra, worth over 350 crore rupees. Now, these are in fact several key projects that will be launched. Meanwhile, Defence Personnel of Operation Sindoor will be travelling in first Vande Bharat Express to Kashmir. All right, my colleague Ajay Jandial is joining me with more updates, as in fact at this point of time, several key projects will be launched today in Jammu and Kashmir. It's a big day, as we have also seen your ground reports coming early from the morning ahead of the big visit by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Ajay, show us through the visuals as to what remains to be at the top focus ahead of this visit in Jammu and Kashmir.
Right now I'm standing in the Katra railway station, and Bande Matram, Bharat Mata Ki Jai, these are the words students, people, passengers, they are chanting over here because it's a proud moment for them as well, because for last many years people of the country, they were waiting for this major project which is going to link Kashmir with rest of the country through train, and this is going to be an all-weather terrain, because people of Kashmir and they have suffered a lot because of the road connectivity, because we have seen that most of the time are during the winters and during the rainy time, that remains closed. I will try to show you the visuals of one of a picture. One person is holding in his hand at the Katra railway station. He is basically going to show it to the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, in which we can say that Prime Minister Modi is taking blessing of his mother. We'll speak to him first. ये बताइए, ये तस्वीर लेकर यहाँ पहुँचे हैं, मकसद क्या है?
पहले मकसद तो नहीं मैं कह सकता, लेकिन ये है कि मतलब वर्ड्स ही नहीं है मेरे पास कि मैं कैसे एक्सप्रेस करूँ। ये मेरा सेकंड टाइम है कि मैं मोदी जी को विजुअलाइज कर पा रहा हूँ, डायरेक्टली उनको देख पा रहा हूँ।
कितना बेहतर हो जाएगा ये जो प्रोजेक्ट आपका यहाँ कटरा से कश्मीर शुरू होता है, क्या लगता है, क्या फायदा है, युवाओं को क्या फायदा?
देखिए, जैसे जैसे मतलब किसी भी एरिया की डेवलपमेंट होती है तो उससे हर किसी को फायदा होता है, और जम्मू कश्मीर के लिए अगर मैं बात करूं तो जम्मू कश्मीर के लिए उन्होंने इतनी ज़्यादा डेवलपमेंट की है, और इतने मतलब आप कह सकते हो कि इतना ज़्यादा इनके काम में मतलब हमें मतलब वो मिला है कि
जम्मू कश्मीर के लिए बहुत कुछ किया। So you see that the students, they are holding tricolor in their hand and waving tricolor. कितना गर्व फील हो रहा है, हाथों में तिरंगा और सामने देश के प्रधानमंत्री।
बहुत ज़्यादा, बहुत ही गर्व, प्राउड महसूस हो रहा है अपने आप में कि हम अपने आंखों से अपने पीएम को देख रहे हैं।
क्या लग रहा है, कितना सहूलियत हो जाएगी इससे?
बहुत ही ज़्यादा, हमें बहुत ही ज़्यादा खुशी भी है उनको देखने की।
You can see that, just behind me, I will try to show you the visuals of the Vande Bharat Express. This is the first Vande Bharat Express, which is fully equipped and all-weather, train, which is going to start from after Prime Minister will flag off it. This from Katra railway station towards Kashmir, and similarly one train from Kashmir will be coming to Jammu. So this is going to be a big achievement, and the warriors of the Operation Sindoor, they also are going to travel in this. We'll try to speak to some other as well. ये बताइए कितना बड़ा मौका है, कितनी खुशी है?
ये सर बहुत खुशी की लहर है, पूरे इंडिया को बहुत ज़्यादा है। जो ये यात्री आते थे उनको कई बार ये गाड़ियों की प्रॉब्लम आती थी, अभी ये वंदे भारत गाड़ी चल गई है तो ये यात्रियों को बहुत अच्छा लगेगा जी। बहुत खुशी की लहर है, पूरे इंडिया में खुशी की लहर है सर। बहुत बढ़िया ये जो मोदी साहब ने किया है जी, बहुत अच्छा कराले किया है जी। बहुत बहुत खुशी की
यात्री पैसेंजर, those who will travel in the coming time, they are going to definitely visit and enjoy the ride as well. ये बताइए कैसा लग रहा है आज यहाँ पहुंचे हैं? आपने वो ब्रिज देखा जो दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा ब्रिज यहाँ बना हुआ है?
सर अभी तो मैंने देखा नहीं है, लेकिन मैं ज़रूर उसको देखना चाहूँगा।
सुना है उसके बारे में?
हाँ सुना तो है मैंने बहुत।
So, the world's largest railway bridge, which basically is there in the Kodi village of Reasi, that is also going to be inaugurated today because it is 35-meter, tallest than the Eiffel Tower in Paris. Other than that, the cable stayed bridge there in the Anji, that Prime Minister Narendra Modi is going to inaugurate. So, definitely it is going to be a proud for the people of the country as well.
Member of Parliament Srinagar, Shri Aga Sayyid Ruhullah Mehdi.
All right. In fact, Ajay, thank you very much for bringing us these detailed ground reports and live visuals that you are tracking from the very ground where the several key projects will be inaugurated in just a bit. Meanwhile, my colleague Manoj